Okay children, we are studying about features of maps. Features are referred as the language of the map. In the map, title means, for example, in each book we will be studying one book. In the title will be there. Title means if it is a globe and map. For example, today's lesson we are studying now. We will see in the block letters that globe and map. So, the title of the map tells what the map is all about. There will be physical map, political map and thematic map. In previous class I have explained about it. Next comes the direction. Children, when you get up, you will see the sun, rising the sun. The sun rises in the east, and when you go home at that time in the evening, you see the sun set in the west. Sun rises in the east and set in the west. Right to it is north and left to it is south. Directions. In ancient time, the people used to use their compass to see the directions. Here, in the map, they show us the arrow mark. Upwards is the north. Opposite to it is the south. And east is in the right and west is in the left. For example, when we were small, we used to hold our hands like this. Okay, this is the east, this is the west. Back is north and front is south. We used to tell the directions like this. Now, you can also continue like that also to understand the directions. Here, north, east. There are sub-directions. North, east. South-east, southwest and northwest is there. Next, scale. We have a scale. Everyone have a scale now? In that, one side will be centimeter and next side will be the inches. In scale, it relates the distance of a map to distance in a real world. Real world's distance is different and maps distance is different. For example, from Vidyagiri to Bagalkot, if you travel, how much kilometer it is? It may be 5 or 6 kilometers. We can't draw the 5 or 6 kilometers in a map. So, the map use a scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 75 kilometers. In map, we can show the 1 centimeter is equal to 75 kilometers. Next comes colors and symbols. Children, here in our school, we are giving the colors of Rashtrakuta, Chalukya, Hoysala and next one is Kadamba. Yes, for that different color we are giving. So, like that there is a colors and symbols in the map too. Blue color is deep water bodies. Deep water bodies means blue color. You see the water. It is in blue color. If you see in the sea, you can see the blue colors. So, they show the deep water bodies as blue color. White color is shown for snow covered peak. You see the mountain of Himalaya, it is in white color. So, in the map they show that white color is equivalent to snow covered peaks. Brown color they show for the mountains. Yellow color for hot desert. Green color means where there is vegetations, green plants and all. So, they show their plains and lowlands for the green color. Next, light blue for shallow water bodies, small seas and all. For that, they show that light blue color. All maps follow this scheme of colors. For each map, you can see the same colors and they represent as a scheme of colors. Next comes lens or key. It explains what the conventional signs and symbols are used. For example, if you go when you are traveling from the road, you see the hospital. When you see the hospital, you will not go enter it. But even though you see on the road that hospital sign is there, you have seen I think. And when the school comes, there will be one school and when two children holding their bags and moving, they are showing that they are running because there is a school, the vehicles must go slowly. Like that symbol symbols are used everywhere. Even in the map, in a corner, they show that the airport, when we see the airport sign, aeroplane sign, we see that there is nearby an airport. Bridge. When we are traveling on the road, if there is a nearby bridge, they show this sign on the road or beside the road. When there is a church, they show this symbol of the church. If there is a forest, they show one green pattern like this. Hospital, you have seen the symbol of hospital. If there is a river, they show like this. Temple, if they show this, that there is an orange color flag, we will see that there is a temple nearby. Trees, if there are more trees, they will show this symbol of trees. This is helped the symbols to show the location of the each and every parts which I have written here to show the symbols in the map. Next comes grid. Map helps us to locate places. Imaginary line called latitudes and longitudes on the surface of the earth create a grid. Latitudes. Latitudes moves parallel on the earth's surface and longitudes moves from pole to pole. If they meet in the imaginary line, that create a grid. Thank you children. You studied carefully and be thorough with the lesson. Thank you.